How to get new Meta AI on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to get Meta AI on Instagram. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure you are using an updated version of the application. And now go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device. Go to your direct messages tab now and open a conversation. Here in the text box, go ahead and type in @Meta AI. Instagram will then show you the option to access the Meta AI chatbot on your specific Instagram chat and send some prompts and use the AI software depending on what you want. Now, if you cannot see this in your Instagram application, then you do not have to worry, as Instagram only periodically rolls out this update on selected devices and selected users and also on selected countries. So if your country does not have this option yet, then all that you have to do is wait until this feature is available for you in your country, and until then you can hover over to App Store and search for Instagram and keep updating the application just to make sure that you are using the latest version. So this is how you can get Meta AI on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and to subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.